not the Mingyur Rinpoche, if I have completely different life, what will I do? Maybe I may become scientist. I have a lot of interest in science. When I was young, I met some famous scientists, neuroscience, Francisco Varela, something. They come to meet my father. I have a lot of interest about cosmology, the stars, moons, galaxies, the universe. I asked this question to him. He's knowledgeable. He told me a lot of things. And also he told me about the brain. And one thing I remember is he said, brain can feel everything, but the brain itself doesn't have feeling, doesn't have sensation. So if you want to do operation with your brain, no need anesthesia. So I was surprised. So yeah, maybe I may become scientist. Maybe what else? Maybe I become a teacher. I like to